In this video, we'll cover the layout of the Engageli AI-powered virtual classroom. First, let's take a look at the different tabs located in the Engageli interface. You can click on each tab, just like a web browser, to access the different views. One of the most important of these views is the Tables tab. When learners join an Engageli classroom, it's just like walking into a physical classroom. Learners are automatically seated at the first available table. You can see where learners are seated and move them to different tables by clicking and dragging their avatar. You will also see a green engagement ring around tables that denotes the overall engagement of learners at that specific table. Next, we'll move to the Class Gallery tab. This is a full view of all learners currently in the class. If there are more than 20 participants, you can use the arrows to the left and right of the Class Gallery tab to view all learners. Additional instructor functions like file share, video share, screen sharing, and whiteboards will also create a new tab once activated. You can look for them as a new tab next to the Class Gallery and Table tabs. Next, let's go over the basic items on the Engageli bottom menu, starting from the left. The bottom bar shown here is specific to instructors, but some items are also available for learners to use in their interface. The audio mode button toggles the audio between room and table mode. Room mode allows everyone to hear each other. Table mode allows for breakout conversations that are isolated to users at each table. When this mode is active, users can only hear the others speaking at their table or from the podium. This is important for small group collaboration. The audio modes in Engageli allow users to have small group conversations in the same space without being sent to isolated breakout rooms. The camera and microphone buttons allow users to quickly enable or disable their audio and video. The settings allow users to set up their camera, microphone, and background. It also allows users to switch between devices during a session, for example, to activate a document camera. If users have other USB or Bluetooth devices, they may need to come to this panel to ensure the correct device is selected. There is also an option here to change your video background, selecting from either available, preloaded, or uploaded images, or creating a blurred background. The record button can be used to start and pause the recorder during a class. A recording file is generated after the class has ended. Students and instructors have the option to react using our built-in emoji and sound reactions. Emojis will float over the classroom screen when used. Sound reactions are turned off by default and can be enabled by instructors and teaching assistants. The Present button is used to initiate Engageli's classroom activities like file sharing, video sharing, whiteboards, and polls. Students have a hand raise button in place of the instructor's Present button. When a student raises their hand, their video is added to the podium and puts them in front of the classroom. When students are speaking, we recommend encouraging them to always raise their hand. The podium adds users who raise their hands into a queue from left to right, which allows users to easily know if they're next in line to speak. The podium creates a visual order speaking queue that allows for easy management of classroom conversations. Notes will allow users to take personal notes during class and capture screen grabs of whiteboards and other shared materials. These notes and images are saved across sessions and will always be available in the notes, whether in a live classroom or a recorded playback room. Users can download their notes for offline access. Students should be encouraged to take notes for effective learning, memory, and organization. Q&A is recommended for posting announcements, links, and hosting class materials. And finally, the Gallery button allows users to see the class in a side gallery while also viewing another tab, like a screen share or a whiteboard.